What's up, guys? As I promised, we're going to do a reaction to JOOGSQUAD's Ghillie Suit Golf Course Air Horn prank. It's freaking hilarious. This is like a prank compilation that they made recently of some of the best moments. We're going to give a reaction to it. We're probably not going to record like the whole video of this, but we're going to get like what I think are the best parts of this best moments compilation. And the video to the link to the actual video will be at the end of this video and also in the description if you guys want to go check it out. So yeah, alright, let's do a reaction to this.
What is going on, fellow members of the Joog Squad? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Best of Ghillie Suit Golf Course Air Horn. Now, the main reason for this video, aside from just being able to look back on the best moments of one of the best prank series we've ever had on this channel, is to see how bad you guys want it. So, if you go down and you give this video a big thumbs up and it gets enough likes, I'm not going to set any sort of goal. I'm going to let you guys decide how bad you want to see another Ghillie Suit Golf Course Air Horn by liking this video. And yeah, if this video gets a high number of likes, that'll prove that you guys want to see another one, and we will hopefully go do another Ghillie Suit Golf Course Air Horn. We almost get arrested for this last time. So yeah, if you guys want to see it, you know what to do. And without further ado, I give you the best of Ghillie Suit Golf Course Air Horn. Enjoy.
Well,
You're
alright.
supposed to wear camouflage, right? You guys told. Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Jack,
What?
where are you, man?
I'm camouflaged.
What is going on, fellow members of the Joog Squad?
What is up with your shirt?
You said we had to wear camouflage, man.
He doesn't see him. These are all the ghillie suits.
Go back home.
Oh my god. Oh my. I bet we helped his stroke, if anything.
See the kid jump?
That's funny as hell.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh my god. Oh, we're dicks. Oh my god. Come on, cut to the tree. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit, he is coming over here. Where is he? Oh yeah, he totally is. Oh shit! Hey, honk the horn at him.
Honk the horn at him.
Oh shit!
Not doing anything. I'm not gonna let that old guy hit me in the face.
Is he chasing Salty? Where's the cop?
We're done, dude.
Get your ass up. I'm gonna kick your ass over there.
No, you're not.
Really?
Let me have my camera.
I'll hold it.
We're coming. Officer, we're coming. Officer, we're coming. Don't let this guy whip my ass.
God
We're
damn.
coming. We're coming. We were doing air horns.
We pranked our friend first, and then we did it to somebody else, and he got upset.
Alright, well, you're not gonna let that guy hit him.
Hey!
Tell
Get
him
away
to
from
chill.
him with the club!
Sorry about that, man. We meant no harm. Alright, I'm gonna take this off.
I don't give a shit. Sit down.
Alright, yes, sir. Man, what are y'all doing?
We're just trying to make people laugh. That's all.
It's our job.
Ghillie outfits?
Well,
Yeah, it's
you can't
camel-
really.
That's awesome,
We're
man.
just hanging out, man. We
I
didn't
gotta
know
give me
what
one of
it was,
those.
nothing. We were just literally sitting on the outside
Ghillie
of the course,
suit.
and these two guys went to drive. We blew the blue horn, and then they got pissed off. We weren't even like on the course. You saw we had to run away because the guy was like running after us.
We're not trying to waste your guys' time. We apologize.
Jackson, you got one.
I have a warrant.
You know, if he had like them shoes that like basically it's got like wraps around each individual toe, you know what I'm talking about? And they had camels on each one of those, so you'd say he's got camel toes. Yeah.
Are you serious? For what?
Oh, you mother!
Oh,
you mother!
I was about to just be like, wow.
A goat filed a complaint.
Damn. Oh.
Get a warrant for bestiality.
That was funny. I really.
Guys, I mean, believe me, I'm not that old. This is pretty funny to me. I'm not a golfer anyway, so so I don't see the golfer side, so to speak. But you guys got to.
We're done.
We're
done. We promise.
We're out of here.
I know the golfer side of it. I used to golf. I never was really good at it, but yeah, that shit would piss me off too. Somebody's horny back there.
I took a piss like 5 feet.
The old guy was so red in the face, you'd think he'd be drunk or something.
Hardcore.
Why is he so red?
15 feet up in a tree. Wes is somewhere over there in a tree. See if I can see.
A lot of golfers get drunk though while they play. It's funny.
I can't even see him, so that's good.
I did a lot too. That's probably why I wasn't very good.
He is right there.
But funny story about it. I used to golf with my older brother, and we used to just get shit-faced drunk, right? And then we'd be like driving the golf cart like as fast as it possibly could, and like taking turns really sharp, and taking it over jumps and shit. And one time we actually rolled over the golf cart, dude. We actually rolled it over. And we flip it back over, and for some reason, I don't know why, but the thing didn't work anymore. And we were probably about, I don't know, already drank about 12 beers each. It was pretty bad. And we're like flagging and hollering at the dude that, you know, kind of manages the golf carts and shit. He was like the manager or whatever. And he's like, oh, shoot, doesn't work, huh? Well, you can just take mine. And we get in his, and we're like, well, that was a mistake. We're burning rubber out of there with this golf cart. Holy shit, that was so much fun that day. We had so many moments like that. It was great. Hey, you dropped something, he said. Somebody's talking to us? You in the golf cart.
I hit a tree. Somebody keeps yelling, drop something, and I don't know.
On the cart path.
Somebody keeps saying you dropped something.
Oh, my hand cart path.
Did you drop anything? Not that I can see.
Mess with these people so hard, dude. It's so great.
Okay.
Okay. Drop something. Coming, Doc?
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
I don't know. Well, if we didn't drop anything, then I guess away we go. Not that I can see. Okay, then let's go. I think he called somebody.
Over here.
Yeah, that's all.
Drop something. It looked like money. I saw it. Oh my god. That was amazing.
Right? I can't see him.
Right under me the whole time.
He's up in that tree with that other mossy looking shit. That's funny. Did I set the horn off? What? Why would there be something there that does that? For real. Yep, must be something here that gets triggered every time you swing. Are you kidding me?
No, that time the recording came from this side. And when he did, it came from this side. Maybe it's for righties and lefties are different.
What?
Oh, look how far your ball's going. Wow.
Yeah. It was me.
They're all confused. Bro.
Nice shot.
That guy figured it out finally. You come out. You fucked up on drugs. You're asking for it, asshole.
Still over here. Oh shit, they look pissed. It's about to hit, ready?
The very next evening.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
You and your friends going over to golf course. If you go back there, you go to jail. Right? All the shenanigans with the air horn and all that stuff. And there's no criminal charges brought against you now. And the people at the course say if you go back there, they're going to file criminal charges for trespassing.
Well, I apologize that you guys have to go out for that.
No, we're already out here. But like I said,
Yeah, we had a couple friends out there one day, and we were just kind of doing it to our friends and people that they knew.
the thing it's posting the video. It's
What the hell is that loud ass noise? For real.
easy for us to figure out who it is and behind it.
Yeah.
So you gotta kind of respect the golfers out there and the course.
I understand.
They just wanted us to come out here and let you know if you come back there, they're gonna push charges for trespassing.
Okay.
The other dudes are wearing a penis costumes. Mm-hmm.
Hey, listen, asshole, why don't you come out here with the fucking horn? Come on out here.
Come out here, you dick. Oh my god.
Honk it, honk it.
That guy wanted to beat a dick.
Stuck up your ass. Bring it on, Albert.
Oh, let's go!
He's gonna get the shaft.
Oh, here he comes with the shaft!
An idiot.
He's gonna beat my. I'm just a little horny today.
Yeah, you're more than a little, or you're a fucking idiot. What?
Why didn't he wear a ghillie suit?
He's about to hit a ball. Izzy, hog it, hog it. Whoa!
What are you afraid of? Shit, what are you afraid of? Huh? What are you afraid
It's
of?
a joke, man.
No, it's not a joke. You're an idiot.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. You guys know what to do. If you want to see another one, go hit the
That's all they could say is you're an idiot. You're an idiot. That's like the only thing I could come up with. That's pretty bad.
thumbs up button. Smack it, spank it, fondle it. Just like the video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. The best is yet to come, as always. Thanks for watching. Jack from the Joog Squad signing out. Peace.
Yeah, it was a good shit, guys. Fucking funny as hell, man. Yeah, I definitely want to see another Ghillie suit golf course air horn. Even though, like, they're gonna get maybe arrested, it's still freaking badass. And if they get arrested, it'll be like, it'll make YouTube drama news and all that. All the drama channels pick it up. They'll get more subscribers, more views. Now, how long can you get arrested for, what is it, trespassing, I guess? I don't think you can, like, as a first offense, I don't think you can get very much time for that. I don't think you can, but I might be wrong. I'm thinking like 30, 90 days tops, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Anyways, hope you guys like that, man. I'm going to be doing some more reaction videos, kind of like this one, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that bell button, keep the alerts on, so when you will know when I upload a new reaction video. That way you can, like, see it right then and there. You know what I'm saying? Be part of that notification squad, man. Anyways, I'm gonna leave a link to the Juke Squad, and I'll leave a link to their video in the description. The one that we just did the reaction to, and then also at the end of this video, I will leave 2 of my channel links. I'll leave a link to this channel, and then I'll leave a link to my vlog channel, so you can go check out my vlog channel if you guys haven't already. Go subscribe, and then I'll also leave a subscribe link to the Juke Squad, so you can go subscribe to their channel as well. Also, I'll go ahead and put at the end of the video right there, I'll put a link to their video too if you want to click onto it, but it will be in the description. So, yep. Anyways, guys, thanks so much, man. Smash that thumbs up if you guys would. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one, y'all. Peace out.